Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Putul and I'm back with another Hack It Up Wednesday. Let's see what all cool and useful money saving hacks I've brought for you. You want to add some greenery indoors but don't want to spend money, then this cool hack is just for you. All you need to do is raid your kitchen and add some mustard seeds to a cup of soil or in a bowl of soil. Sprinkle some water over it and let it germinate. The tiny plants will come up in just 2 to 3 days and will give you a cool green spot. Don't forget to water these babies. Added to the greenery, you can trim the leaves in about 2 to 3 weeks to add these to your salads or sandwiches, which is a very good source of nutrients. So I'm saving your money again. Why spend so much on different cleaners when all you can have from just one? If you use floor cleaners like Lysol or Domex, you need not buy any additional surface cleaner. All you need to do is just take a spray bottle and add a few drops of cleaner in this. Now this water you can spray to clean any surface, even glass. Yay! More money saved. Now this happens with me a lot of times that the curry I'm cooking, it gets too salty. What should we do? Just take 1 or 2 balls of wheat flour dough, the one we use for the roti, and add to the curry. Now remember, this dough should not have salt in it. Let these balls work their magic and remain in the curry for 15 to 20 minutes. You can remove these balls before serving. Say thank you to me because I'm a lifesaver who saved you loads of hard work. You might have to cook it again. Now, are you bored of these shapes or these special kind of cushions which we buy because they are too cute, but we get over it? So what you can do is use these cushions and put them inside the cushion covers, like something like this. Okay, I'll show it to you. So this way, see, my new cushion is ready. Nobody will notice it. You can just keep it in the piles of a lot of cushions, and this will be another money saver. Now there are times when you don't have enough cushions, so that time you can use toys and keep them in the cushion covers. See, I'm saving you loads of money. You want your plant babies to get healthier and bloom fast. All you have to do is use water from the kitchen. The water that you use to wash the pulses and the vegetables, even the water which you use for washing the mixie jar, which you have used to make yummy milkshake and smoothies, you can use that water. It is so nutritious even to the plants. So all you have to do is just add plain water in the jar and sprinkle over the plants. See the result in 7 days, and then you can thank me then. So friends, how were the hacks? Hope you love the hacks. If you don't, do love the hacks, and hope these were helpful to you. Do save this video in your playlist for future reference. You may need it someday. I am telling you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.